Hello, my name is Britt Stockwell with Kincaid IT, and today I'm going to do a brief tutorial on how you can present from Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides directly to Google Meet. The important thing to note is that you can't do this from a mobile device at this time, so you need to be on a laptop or desktop computer, and you need to be using a Chrome browser. Okay, so let's go over the steps and then I will show you an example. In order to present directly from Docs, Sheets, or Slides, open the file that you want to present in that application, and then you'll go to the top menu area and click Present to a Meeting. You'll then select your meeting or enter meeting code, whichever is easiest, and then it will bring up a preview of the tab to confirm which tab you're choosing to share. Once you select that, you can go back to Meet and you will see that your content is being presented in Meet. So let's give it a try. This is the sheet that we want to share in our Google Meet. So we open up our document in Sheets and then we can go over here and select Present to a Meeting. Now I have another meeting open in my browser here. So it says Present tab to meeting, and it's acknowledging the meeting that I'm already on, and there is the meeting code. So I can click Present tab to meeting. And then I'm shown these options here of, is this the tab you want to share? Is there another tab or window, or would you like to share your entire screen? We're going to choose this tab. And we don't have audio, so we can uncheck Share Audio and hit Share. You'll have to select the tab that you want to share and hit Share. Now it says sharing this tab to docs.google.com. So if we go back to our meeting, you can see that I'm in a meeting over here with myself, and this is sharing the sheet in the Google Meet. It's also a good tip that to present slides in full screen, after confirming the tab you want to present, click Present, and then go back and Meet, and you will see your slideshow in full screen mode. So this was just a short tutorial to show you this new feature for Google Meet. Please reach out to Kincaid IT if you have any questions. We are here to help, and have a great day.